Welcome to Anything is Possible. Today we are on our way to get a canoe. We have 4 boats. This will be our 4th boat. 2 of them are in Alaska, so they're just sitting up at our property. And 1 is up at the reservoir where they have to be quarantined, so you're not really, it's hard to take it in and out. It's got to wait 10 days because of the zebra mussels. So we're going to go on a couple vacations, couple fishing trips coming up, and looked at the rental prices, and it's like 70 bucks for 4 hours. We're going to fish more than 4 hours, and this canoe is $150, so it's going to save us money. So we're going to go hopefully buy it.
That's cheap too.
Yeah, so we're going to do a quick video on getting the canoe, and we'll probably take it fishing. We're going to try to get fishing tonight, and we're going to take it fishing this weekend, maybe pickerel, bass. It's going to be like a multi-species weekend. All right. Paid for, $150, there it is. Now let's hope we don't lose it on the highway.
So we are launching the boat. This is our canoe we just got that has some film on it.
The short amount of time we had was spent just taking turns on the canoe and throwing a few casts in. We didn't expect much.
Got it.
Oh!
What are you cheering about? Missed him again.
I did manage to clobber my fishing partner right in the face with my bass lure. Luckily, he's got his glasses on.
Look at that.
Ooh, you all right?
Yeah.
Good thing you have glasses. Bass on. Bass on. Keep pressure on him. You got the drag set good, so there you go. Beautiful. Looks like a bigger one, actually. Oh. All right, we didn't catch anything at the lake, but we got the new boat in. It was about an hour drive to get the boat, about an hour drive to come back from the boat, and did all that after work, so not expected to really catch a fish tonight. So we're gonna get up early and head over to French Creek. Good morning, it's about 5 a.m. Birds are up. Just had a coyote come through the yard. So it's gonna be a fun day. I'm gonna head over to French Creek now. He thinks it was a Wendigo. Here we are, we're at Hopewell Lake, and I managed to not pass a single gas station, so I have no coffee, no breakfast.
That's fine.
Yeah, let's fish.
Let's go.
Heading to the unknown. Oh yeah, right under that tree. See that? You have to take a chance. It's the only way you're going to catch fish. There's a lot of fishing pressure out here. Small lake. Okay, take control. Take your time.
I'm back.
There you go, boy. You want to bring them back to me, or you want to bring them in? One lift up. Sweet! Nice work. Show it to the camera, buddy. Yeah, lift that sucker. There you go. I didn't get a good look at it. Yes. Okay. There you go. First bass on the new boat. First fish on the new boat goes to Kevin. Not too deep back there. Did you have something? You did? All right.
Like a big bass.
He's on to something over here. We're down deep in the weeds. We're in thick.
There has to be a big muskie in here.
There are supposedly muskie in here, pike in here, bass in here, pickerel in here. We've yet to see anything but a bass. That's the stick. I saw the stick that time. It's casting back. Kevin just had one in there. It looked like a real good one too. Lost it. He thinks it was a pickerel. No, not that time. That time you got a log. Try to get it off of there without going in there. All right. Fish on, put pressure on him, Keep pressure. Keep going real fast. He was in the lily pads. Oh, did you guys see that? Good job, buddy. That was a tough fight.
That counts.
We're counting it. We're taking everything we can get. We're gonna count it.
You have to see the fish for it to count.
Oh my God. There's a hungry bass in these pads. Just know it. Super shallow water.
Just jigging it along the bottom. That's
So shallow. Bald eagle, look at that. See him up there? Oh, it's a beaver dam. Yep, I'm gonna pull back there and see what we can find. Here's the dam. This is Scott Run, I think, coming in here. It's all dammed up. We're gonna try to land this and maybe get around the dam and do a few casts. Pull that up. Give it one more pull. Okay, good. Perfect. Let's go up this way. Let's go out to, let's get on the solid land and then around. This way. Oh, God. What a mess. Oh yeah, this looks fishy. This looks fishy. Yep.
You want to wear my glasses?
Yeah, fish on, fish on. Let's see what he's got up there. Looks pretty hefty. Okay. Nice, solid.
There's even a bigger one in here.
Sweet, hold on, I get some footage of that baby. Show it to us. Nice. Good work. Right, hold on. Let me get real close so I can make sure I see it. Hold it up to the camera. Beautiful. All right.
So much more bass in here.
I'm going to let you fish it. You found it. I'll just be the... Oops. Hold on. Okay. I'll let you fish it since you found it.
There's like 1,000 bass right under that tree.
So you find the deep water, you find the fish. Let's see if you spooked them out or if they'll take another one. He's found a little pocket, all right. Just gonna sit here and try to do some filming here. Working the yum purple worm. A little finesse fishing. Can I take it, kid?
There's even more down there.
Okay. That's a nice bass for this little hole.
Yeah, there's a lot more.
Remember, folks, always wear sturdy hiking shoes. I've been sent back to the boat to get trout supplies. We found a nice pocket of trout up here. We're the ADHD of fishing here. Okay, Kevin's going to be throwing this little... And for Papa, I'm going to go with the Zero Max. I can't resist a brand new one in the box. Chase down some trout. Remember, safety first, guys. Wear your life vests. Never know when you can hit a deep puddle on this trail. Here's a little trout stream we found. Like we really discovered it, like Christopher Columbus. I think it's kind of a big deal. It's already on a map and everything, but we're going to call it discovered. Oh, look, they built a bridge for us. Yeah. Cast it downstream and reel it back up. Yeah, you got to dig it. It's got to be moving to get under. There you go. Keep going. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if you saw that. I think I got it on camera. Get it down in there. Oh, there he was. There he is. He's right on the edge here. He's looking. Wow, that's a big trout. Yeah, one more. You get one more in there. There's a couple in here. Oh, just hit it. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. All right, I don't know if you can make that cast. It's a pretty tough cast. Nope. Hold on, let me get this out of here. Okay. Yep, you gotta give it action. Okay. A little less action. Yeah, let it sink in there. Let it go to the bottom. It might be on it. Let it drop right there. Give it some twitching. Okay. Do a few casts however you want to do it in there. He came out and slammed it. He's got a trout on. Where you at? Got him? Sweet. Hold on, honey. Bring him in. Oh, look at that brook trout.
Can we keep it?
And now let's let him go. Beautiful. Good job, Cav.
I told you they were eating that.
What do you think, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. Nice, yes. Good job, buddy. High five. Nice work. How'd you do it? Give him the rundown.
This is all that you do. Got a trout magnet, put on the hook, and a red,
This is the stuff that drives me nuts fishing with kids. Like, that irks me so much. It's not supposed to catch fish on that. All right, this is not what you should do to your reel, but we worked hard for that little brookie. I was all the way up that little stream when Kevin yelled. I had to come running down here in my flip-flops. I didn't want to miss the action. I'm surprised he stayed on. We're running these little trout magnets with the power worm. And they're pretty much a barbless setup. They have like a barb on them, but it's very minimal. But he stayed on. Yeah, that's the price it takes right there. That's how much I know. Nothing. So today is more of an exploratory. Just gonna cover ground, move around. We really haven't explored. I've raced these woods for years, mountain bike racing. We've camped here, family trips, but we've never really fished here. So we got a camping trip coming up here, 3-4 day weekend on 4th of July weekend. So doing a little pre-fishing, I'd call this. Just broke this lure, this reel. Yeah, this reel here, I was just casting it and completely broke, won't turn anymore.
So it's broken.
Broken. Back on the water. Give it a little action. Yeah. Got him? Okay, keep it tight. I'm gonna go in. Just keep it tight. Tight as you can. Keep reeling, keep reeling. We're going at it fast. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Off? Oh. It ate his worm off, so I'm guessing that was a pickerel. Had to cast it out. Come in. Just scaring them when you splash near them. Yeah, it's not far enough out. I'm gonna try to catch a perch here. See if we can get a different species today. Just threw a little minnow on that we had. Oh, big, Sonny. Big. Holy cow. Wow. Hold that out. Holy cow, that might be your best. You want me to get it? Look at the size of that sunfish. Oh my God. Oh my God. Go back home. So we gotta go back. What movie you seeing? They've got reservations to see a movie, so our time is limited today. So we're gonna get going, and we might go out later today. I'm not sure yet. Okay, we are back at it, folks. We're at a little local.
That looks like a bass, though.
That was a pickerel's face. We're back at a little local pond here. We didn't want to run all the way back to French Creek tonight. So we're gonna just throw minnows and worms. And we're at a pond that's really hard to get into.
But there's big fish in here.
Yeah. Just keep them on, keep them on. Adjust the drag. Is he off? Yes. Oh no, huge crappie. Holy cow. Look at the size of this crappie.
Can we eat him?
Nah, I don't want to eat him. Oh my God. That's an enormous crappie.
That's probably what it was.
Look at the size of this crappie. Oh my God.
You thought it was a bass? I had no way that's a bass.
Guy with knows his stuff. Love locals. Love locals. They just
know everything.
Yep.
That was the biggest one I ever saw.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's definitely lots of crap.
Yeah.
That's what mine was, probably. Or do you think it was a pickerel?
I know yours was a pickerel, no doubt. There's some fish back in there. See it jumping in there. Look at that. Look at that. That's going to be on it in a second. Did you see that?
Not a crappie?
I don't know.
I never even felt my fish. Haven't?
No, weeds, I think. See where those rocks are? It's usually, see the rocks in the middle of the water? In the path of the water going to the back.
Yeah.
That's usually the best spot.
That's a wall. Some of it just go boom. Big crappie.
Yeah, I think some took it. Yep, get it up high. Nice. Nice work, buddy. There you go. See, having that drag set right? Get a good hold of it. There you go. Unhook that. Okay. He wasn't coming off. Look at that.
Behind it. I swear to God.
Okay, I'm gonna let him go.
First it it felt like algae, and then all suddenly I just. Did it hit that?
Felt like a crappie. Another big crappie though. Get this guy. Come to Papa. Yeah, baby.
Oh my God, yeah.
Oh my God, this place. These crappies are out of control here.
If you're using crappies for bait, you definitely need to come here.
That one.
That looks like a smaller.
A little bit smaller than the other one. Get another picture of that one.
Something big just jumped right up there. All the way up by the beaver dam.
Okay.
Pickerel.
I need another minnow and then we'll go cruise.
Not now.
Pickerel.
It is. Maybe not.
Seems nice. Watch for structure. There you go. Oh, bass. Nice bass. Little chunker. Swing them in. There you go. Nice job, buddy.
I saw him.
Yeah. Yeah. Make sure I see him before you throw him in. This canoe's not the best way to get great footage. Whole lot of video of your back.
One, but it's okay.
Hold it up to me and get a picture. Smile. Got it. Okay. Boom. That. Let it go. There's one coming. There's one coming. Just leave it. Oh, did you see that?
That was a sunfish.
I don't think so. It's Mr. Beaver. Oh, nope, I got one. Got one. Come on. Yep.
Or was it?
Oh, damn it. Stripped. Beaver dam. That doesn't smell like big bass. I don't know what does. We got one!
Can I hold him?
Yeah, just watch his teeth. Coming at you. You did it, buddy. There you go. Just like any other fish. Right behind the heads, right behind the gills is the best spot. You can get some control over them. Show him, tilt him so you can see him better. Tilt it towards me. There you go. All right, let me get it on the camera here. Oh. That's all right. No pictures of that one, but I can download a photo. I got it on here, bud. That was Kevin's goal this weekend. He wanted to catch pickerel. Said most people try to avoid them. Not Kevin. He goes after him. He's a little spoiled. I don't know if you guys saw the video, but back, it was like our first YouTube video, was Kevin catching a near state record. I mean, within ounces of the state record. Pickerel. Just a monster. That one coming? Gonna catch one live for us here? Bill dance. Look good. We'll edit that and just put a huge fish after that. It's gonna come up and slap us. Where'd he go?
Over there. The bass?
Yeah, little bass. You go back and grow up.
Too small.
You ate my minnow. Dirty rat. My last minnow. This guy right here. It's withholding minnows. Told me we were out of minnows, but somehow he's miraculously put not one, but now 2 minnows on his hook. It's a miracle. Complete miracle. Got a fish on the boat. Pumpkin seed, right? Yeah. Gotta ask my 8-year-old. Beautiful pumpkin seed. You gotta ask them what kind of fish they are. Oh, that's a beautiful fish. All right, in you go. Okay. It's just beautiful out here. The point where we had a good day of fishing and I'm just gonna sit here with the worm in the water. I don't care if I don't catch anything else. So far we've gotten, what fish have we caught today? We got bass, pickerel, trout, brook trout, sunfish, bluegill, pumpkin seed, monster crappie. I think that covers it. Said it was going to be a multi-species video. So far so good. What other species can we go at? Oh, perch. We missed our opportunity for perch today. We should be able to pick them up tomorrow. Going to a different lake. Tomorrow we're going to go, I think we're going to go to Scott's Run Lake in French Creek, just the other lake, the smaller one. We'll see. It's hours away. Anything could happen. Oh, he's got another minnow, folks. Found another minnow. All right. Huh?
Here goes nothing.
Here goes nothing. We just came out of the lake. Now we got to take it over to the car. And I'm tired. I don't know about you, Kev, but I'm tired. Hungry. We had a good day. Great night here. This little pond. Yes, he caught his pickerel. What else? Oh, that's all we really care about. It's the pickerel.
And crappie.
Yeah, huge crappie. Yeah. All right, let's get home. Peace.
Sick of this.
We will see you guys early tomorrow.
How early?
Not too early. Good morning. It's Sunday morning. Just had some breakfast. And it is pouring rain, freezing rain, rained all night, hard. Yeah. Yeah. All right, we're here at Scott's Run Lake. It's pouring rain, but it looks like it's about to stop. So we're just gonna hang off the boat for a minute. I'm gonna send Kevin out with his rod. A little pre-exploration here. And we haven't fished this lake before. So this is all new to us. So we're gonna do some exploring.
Tell them what's in here.
It's a cold water fish. So I think we're doing trout maybe if they stocked. Maybe perch, sunnies, I don't know what else is in here. Pickerel. Not sure. So you tell me. Go find out and report.
Can I fish on the bridge? I mean,
Probably not on the bridge. You got to read signs. If you can't read, you got to wait for me.
but what if there is...
Got a trout. I got a trout on.
Is it trout? I got it.
Wet your hands.
It's a brook.
Yep. Of course it is. A beautiful brookie. Okay, gentle. Be real gentle with him. Okay. Sunfish on.
And the Sunfish Master today.
We are fishing for these little tiny brooks in this little tiny stream. And they are just hiding in spots that are almost impossible to cast in. Which is why they live here. But very rewarding when you catch one. What do you got there? All right.
That's what it was. I thought it was
Beautiful. Beautiful job.
I thought it was a trout. Go back and lick.
Brookie on, brookie on. What? Beautiful brookie. Beautiful brookie. Hooked right in the corner.
Wow, Dad.
Look at that beautiful fish. Let's get him back in.
Sit
Let's just get her in. Yeah, a little slower current up here. Right by your feet. You see him? There you go. There
nice
you go.
job.
Awesome. Good job, buddy.
Second brook.
Second brookie of the day. So we're walking pretty far expanses on this creek, and we're just looking for spots like that, where it's like a little cut bank, and then where the dark water is, that's usually where they lay. And if you're looking for brooks, you already blew the spot out. You have to look for the spot they're supposed to be at. They'll be there, whether you see them or not. So you come up to a spot like this, you look where they should be. Before you even get to it, make as far as a cast that you can accurately make. And usually that's when you hook them. Very rarely you get on top of them because they've seen it all. They're too smart. Got him. Got him. You want to fight him? Oh no, he's in the rocks. I got him. Wow, he is a fighter. Holy cow. You want to reel? Oh, I got him. I got him. I'm going to be easy with these guys. Nice little brookie. I'm going to take him down here. There you go, beauty. Right back in there. Off you go. We bent down the barbs on our hooks. These are, I don't know if they're truly wild or if they're from the lake originally, but that one was tiny, so I can't imagine they stocked them that small. Look like whether it's a native or a wild, to me it doesn't make much of a difference. They're living in a habitat like this. You treat them like they're wild and native, even though there's you can keep them technically from streams this time of year. I would never keep them from a stream like this where there's just a trout here or a trout there. So we try to handle them really gently, so don't get great videos sometimes. We're trying to rush it, get it back into the water again. I'm gonna go catch up with my son. Oh yeah, this looks fishy. Yeah, had some hits.
Oh.
He says that was a monster crappie. I saw it. He casted and I had eyes on it, and I just saw the worm just disappear. And I said, pull it! And he had it for a while. I don't know if we got it on video, but it's a big fish. If it's a crappie, he should take it again. Okay. All right, fish on, fish on. Ooh, nah, it's a bass, isn't it? You got one? So I'm pretty sure that was a bass, and that's probably what he had last time too. The big mouth on it. Gotta try to get it a little bit further in here. Yeah, he's not coming out of his little hiding spot. These guys get eaten by birds and everything else, so they stay back in these deep, dark holes. He's casting right back along this dark bank. Let's see if it comes out again. It's got to be hungry. Oh, I think it's coming. I just saw it flash. There, he took it. There we go. That's a trout. That's a brookie. Is he off? Let me look at your hook. Hold on. Okay, missed that one. Didn't have the drag set quite right. That makes sense why. Oh, is he on? Okay, man, this is a nice little pocket here. There we go. Got the brookie? Okay, gentle. Just let him tire himself out a little tiny bit here. Beautiful. Let me come down here. Okay. Yeah, beautiful. Wet your hands. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Fish first. Okay. Actually, she's calm. Look at that colors, Kevin. Look at the colors. Okay. I'm gonna give her a little bit slower current here so she recovers. There you go, buddy. Sorry, I got a little dirt on your face. Make sure she swims away all right. She was only out a second, but you're just gonna make sure she swims out okay. She's just resting over here.
Yeah.
I see her in there. Yeah, she looks good. There she is. She's just like, what the heck was that? I gotta turn this off because we don't have much footage left, but she's gonna do just fine. I dropped her right here, but it's like moss, so. Oh, yeah, I'll go down. I'll get him. Just hooked a brookie right off the bridge. Nice. Oh my God, there's so many under there. Did it come off? Fish on. Cameraman might fall in the water here. Yeah, there she goes. Quick release. That was a quick release. She was right here on the side, so it just popped out of my hand. This little tunnel here. Don't let them swallow. Okay. I think you can come down, sit like I am. Perfect, get ready, keep tension, because it's gonna come towards you. Probably on it already. We just don't want them to swallow. Way too much line out. You're gonna have to set the hook to the side. Got him? Oh man, he's in for it, folks. Watch that metal. Don't hit the line on the metal, it'll snap it. Is he off? Didn't think we'd be brookie fishing today, but here we are. Okay, just take your time. Fish on, fish on. Keep your line low. There you go. Take your time.
Oh, this is a nice one.
Okay. Let him tie himself out in the current.
Might be a bass. That's a bass.
Now it's a trout. Maybe it is a bass. Yeah, Mr. Bass, what are you doing here? There we go. Oh, he's off. Let it drop. Battery's about to die. See, can we get one more before the battery dies? Got him? Trout on, trout on.
Okay.
Okay. Wet your hands first. Okay. Okay, real gentle. Okay. Here, I'll get him here. Too much. Look at that, baby. Beautiful. Not ready for the release, buddy. Here, here. There you go. Help her along. Make sure she finds her way out.
She went under there.
There's another little tiny pocket.
You took it like 5 times.
All you gotta see, all we're looking for today is a little bit of running water. Then below that run, we're looking for any type of cut bank, a little bit deeper water. And there's like a couple in each hole. I saw that one take it. Fish on, big bass.
I'll get him, I'll get him.
Big bass, tiny creek.
Fight it. Dad, can you fight it?
Yep. All right, as you can see, we're back on the lake. This is the lake we haven't been on before. We just got done catching brook trout. Our battery died on us, so we came back and decided we're gonna go out on the boat now. We caught, I think I caught 3 brookies and then
I caught 4.
I think Kevin caught 4, so we got about 7 brookies and a couple bass, solid bass for this tiny little stream. So pretty great morning. The rain has kind of stopped pretty much. So we're out here, there's like a 20-foot hole, and then the rest of it's like 8 to 4 feet. So we're gonna just hit the deep hole, which is by the dock, and then we're gonna move and cover some ground. Fish on, fish on.
What is it?
I don't know.
Can you see a trout?
It's the elusive bluegill.
For a second I was like, that might be a trout.
Yeah, there are trout in here, they say. This ain't one of them. Oh, there's a wound. Bye-bye. Take your time. He's got a big bass on. I'll try to get him, okay? I don't have a net. Big bass on, big bass on. Oh, that was it. Oh, oh man.
I said I had something on. I ain't joking.
Oh, that was a monster. Wow. All right, folks. I think we're gonna wrap this video up. It's been a couple days. Friday night we got the new canoe. We fished we threw it in after driving around half the night. Threw it in, tested it out. Didn't catch any fish, and then we spent the rest of the weekend over here at French Creek camping. I mean, not camping. I'm tired. We spent the rest of the weekend over at French Creek, hitting the lakes there, Hopewell Lake and Scotts Run Lake, and then some of the little tiny creeks in the area. Yeah, we managed to, our goal of the weekend was to get a pickerel. We've caught 1 pickerel, a bunch of brookies, some crappie. Man, we caught a lot. We caught like 6 or 7 different species, bass. So, hope you enjoyed watching this ADHD special here. We'll catch a little bit of everything, run around like maniacs on our new boat. So I'm trying to talk this guy into going out for lunch because I am starving.
You are?
Yeah. What do you think? Lunch?
Yeah, but you have to get me a soda.
All right. Well,
A
thanks.
big one too.
Oh man, big one. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe. We hit 100 subs this weekend.